What a surprise, more dolls. Hi, I'm Marna, this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I will do this quick as I can. We'll save this one. This is my AliExpress haul. I have been buying their $1.99 items. Can't stay off the page. It's such good deals, and it's stuff I use. Check this out. These are little bags. They're little burlap bags, perfect for doll stuff, i.e. advent calendars. This is, oh, look at these. These are ornaments that we're going to put on our tree next year. We've got a small tree that is all trains. Check out these beads I got. I'm going to put these on the back of some, you build a snowman with them, and then these are like ornaments. Aren't they cute? On the back of Blythe pull strings. $1.99. Yep, that's right. And now, or the other day, I don't know when it's ending, $1.79. Went back and bought more. This is, oh, this is for my little Laura Blythe, who is, I named her Laura because she has that Draculaura look from Monster High. Look what I bought her. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. The bats are red. How cool is that? How cool is that? And if I use it backwards, they're black and silver. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I like that a lot. All right, let's see what else I got. Said I was going to keep it fast, and I haven't. Okay, when I bought these for $1.99, I thought these would be smaller than this, like Blythe size that I bought before. But look how big they are. Cute. So I bought a few of those before I knew how big they were, but I'm okay with it. What do I got here? Oh, this is a jacket. I hate to take it out of this bag.
Yeah.
It is a jacket for riding bikes in a bright orange. Once you take them out of the bag, good luck getting them back. We put these in our bike bags, and believe me, we have had to use those in a pinch, especially if it starts raining. Look, I got a lot of these. $1.99, and that's what we want on our tree. All right, keep going, Marna. Stop talking. Keep showing. Yeah, I bought a few of them. I kind of got one of those in every bite. Every buy. And more trains. Look at these little bags for putting skirts and shoes in. I am currently making over 400 for a couple doll shows. Oh, look, the little bitty ones showed up. Let's open this real quick and see. These are perfect for like shoes or a little chocolate rabbit or. Those are great.
Neck joints.
Yeah, for sure. And hands. If you take your hands apart, put them in there together. Oh, this is for Katie. Katie got some stuff too. She'll probably come trotting in. You'll hear her little feet. It might be too big. Oh, it's too big. She's, well, I don't know. It's got a hood. It's a little raincoat. How cute is that? And it has little legs on it. Oh, God, if she wasn't such a mess right now. She gets a bath this week, or I'd show her to you. When you buy these $1.99 things, you have to, it's called pick 3, and you get 3. I found that you can buy more than 3. You just have to get a minimum 3. Yep, $1.99 with legs. Oh, isn't this cute? It's a Christmas calendar. Like, I'll put it out on the counter for my videos with the date on it. How cute is that? This is a pop-up Christmas card. Not going to open it. And these are Christmas tags to go with that. That's very cool. That's very cool. Oh, $1.99. Can you believe it? And no, I am not sponsored by them. I ought to be. They ought to send me a doll free every month for all I buy in a month. This was $1.99. How cute is that? Little advent calendar. Put a little something in there. We have something in mind for this. I'll just set this to the side. Deron and I have some ideas coming up for December next year for the channel.
This year.
Yeah, this year. It is this year. 2 more of those jackets. I mean, $1.99. Oh, good. 2X XL. We get these really big, and the Chinese sizes are small, so let's hope they're big. Carry those in our bike bags and wear them. Another train. Look what Deron got me on eBay. I love it. Is this it matches his.
Yep.
Oh, I love that you think I'm that small. Oh, that's so sweet.
Well, if it doesn't fit, I guess we donate it.
Oh, but we ride, we have 3 tandem bikes, and we do ride them. We used to ride our tandem bike to church every week, and then we quit going there. All right, let's get down to these. I'm excited. Guess what they are? Those little Blythe blind bags. Let's see who we got. Let's see how fast I can do this. I don't really want to cut it. You know what? I'm going to crimp it so that it doesn't get the sticky on there as bad. Now I'm going to have to cut it. I reuse this. I hate cutting this open because I do reuse these, but it's not a bag. All right, let's get to the point here. I ought to get a few of these not to open. You know me and my box collecting. And if you don't open it, was that Schrodinger's cat? Schrodinger's. I knew it was something like that. Where you don't know what's in there, so it can be dead or alive. Oh, not going to show you. Not going to show you. You know what's worse? I can't remember who I have and who I haven't. I've looked at the pictures too much. Oh, I do not have this little girl. How cute is she? And then she comes with the stand. I'm not going to set up the stand right now. I do save the little boxes. I'm not going to set up the stand right now. There's no... Oh, I see her stand goes... Oh, well, that's kind of cool. See the little hole for the stand? Her little chair has a knob there that goes down in that. Well, that's really cute. And then on the shelf...
Kind of like a Bratz doll.
Yeah. On the shelf where I keep these, where's my card? Here it is. I set these under them. Oh, look, I got 2. Then they should have given me $2, right? All right, let's cut this way. Oh, that's really tight. Squished again, squished again. Oh, well. All right, I won't even say how I feel about the post office right now. Yeah, I peeked. I did. I peeked. You saw me. You caught me. You do know who it is because you get the card. Oh, she's so cute. I think we have this one. Pretty sure I have this girl because I remember the hands in the back and the little camera. But here's her stand. I'll do that off camera. Let's see who else I got. Because we've got a girl I can hear over here muffled saying, "Get me out, get me out, get me out." Oh, I didn't cut that all the way through. I've got Margot standing here with me in her Valentine's. That's the next holiday coming up quick. And I am busily making Happy Mail for my Happy Mail sending is not over. I am busy sewing for that. I'm sewing those skirts. I'm sewing for my dolls. I'm sewing for collabs. Oh, not going to show you. I forgot. Almost showed you. All right, let's open her up, and then we'll get to this. Who do we get? Who do we get? Oh, I do not have her. I like that fancy, shiny peasant top. Look at those shoes. Oh, so tiny. Isn't that cute? All right, I'll put this here, and I will deal with that later. Deron, you can have those. He stores stuff in it. Look at the box. I don't know. I would like to know who along the way tears up my boxes. But other people get them like that, and it's a slow boat from China, so I should not complain, but I do. Because I save these boxes in case I want to you know, if we ever move or I sell them, or yeah, like I'm gonna sell them, or give them away, or although I do sell some on our website, we do have a few Blythes for sale. Here's her hands, and here she is. Why did I get this girl? I got this girl. This is the last one I bought on the Black Friday sale. When I buy lately, I buy one or two from two different sellers. Or hair shorter. I have this doll upstairs. She has a business. When I buy one or two dolls, and if they're from different sellers, I'll go ahead and get, you know, a doll. But then I wait till it ships and I buy more because I don't want them squished in a box like they've been sending. And I got some broken legs because of that. Oh, she is gorgeous. You know why she's important? She is going to be on my counter to remind me and all of you that get a little down in the winter. It can happen to any of us. And her name is Promise of Spring. And if you're feeling a little blue, get out a doll that reminds you of spring or summer. I don't have her snap on here yet. I didn't expect her to for a couple days. Look at her little Easter outfit. We'll get her some shoes. Here is her stand in green because grass will be here before you know it. If you're feeling blue, get out a doll and either buy, dig out, or make some spring or summer clothes for them. Honestly, get distracted by making them clothes or you know, make some Happy Meal for someone else. Do fun things with your dolls. Our dolls, one thing I really like about dolls, they're always smiling at us. I like happy dolls. I like dolls that are smiling, and I have them all through the house. How can you be sad when you got so many things smiling at you? Oh wait, one more. I was putting stuff away, and what did I find? Oh cool, I got more of those burlap bags. Those are great. And another train set, or train ornaments, and oh, these are cool. Oh, I think these are light up, you know, crap that I bought on AliExpress.
Pull the little thing out of the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. And what am I doing with that? Well, that'd be cute sitting on a little table, wouldn't it? In a diorama. Well, that would really be cute in a Happy Meal, too. Real cute. How do I turn it off? Oh, look at that. Turn it off. Never to be turned on again. There we go. Oh, maybe there you go. Well, how cool is that? Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.